Short story. The joy of group study. 01. Anna likes to learn English. She sometimes feels lonely when she studies alone. One day, she meets Ben, Mai, and Tom in the library. They all need to review for a big test. Anna smiles and says, "Let's study together." Everyone agrees with a happy yes. They find a big table near the window. Sunlight makes the room warm and bright. Ben brings colorful pens and paper. Mai has tasty snacks for everyone. Tom brings a small speaker for soft music. They start reading their books. When Anna has a question, Ben helps her. When Ben forgets a word, Mai explains it. Tom shares fun ways to remember new words. They laugh and learn together. Anna feels less shy. She speaks more English now. Time goes fast because they have fun. After 2 hours, they take a short break. They eat snacks and drink water. Everyone talks and smiles. The group feels like good friends. They play a small quiz game. Anna answers many questions correctly. She feels proud of herself. Ben says, "We are a great team." Mai says, "Group study is better than studying alone." Tom agrees and gives a big thumbs up. Anna thinks learning together is happy and smart.